Hi guys, now welcome to another episode of Make Money Online right here on Nextlands. Of course, you know how we do it. So today, this is the other volume of the bug reproduction, how you can actually make money online just reviewing websites and apps. Now, this is one of the tests. Actually, I've dropped a lot of videos about the test, and I think this is like the fifth one or the fourth one. I couldn't even remember. Now, this test is about the bug reproduction course, guys. This is the bug reproduction test, guys. Bug reproduction test, and you're going to be seeing how I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be reading the articles and co, and I'm going to be doing the test practically, so you guys can actually see how it's been done. Of course, the answers and everything are there, and keep note that this is just for your educational purpose only. Please, guys, even after you've actually used this video to actually pass that particular test, I implore you to actually read all the articles, watch all the videos, so you can be able to actually do this test when they start giving you the real life test, guys. Because if you fail the real life test also, you are not going to get paid, guys. Like I've always said, you are not going to get paid. Now, if you are listening to this video for the first time, like you're just tuning in to me for the first time, of course, I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, of course, give this video a thumbs up. So whenever I drop new videos, you're going to be one of the first few people to actually get started with my video. Now, enough with all this chit chat. Let's go here, and I'm going to show you how to actually take the reproduction course, the bug reproduction course, and of course the quiz, and how to get started with. Now, this video might I'm not going to be talking much in this video. I'm just going to be showing you a lot of things, because there is a lot of things to actually show, but you don't need to panic if maybe you didn't hear me talk for a while. Just watch what you're watching, look at what I'm doing, or do it when you're on your own test or so, check the answers and everything, and go ahead with it. Okay, so I'm going to be fast forwarding the videos after I'm done, because I know it's going to be a little bit long. Why? Because it's been a very long time I did this bug reproduction course, and I'm not going to be taking my time to actually sit down and first go through all the tests and everything, so I can actually do it without going through the test something. So now I'm going to be going through the test at the same time I'm going to be doing this. So I might be going to the test, coming back to do the test, like reading the articles, and of course coming back to answer the questions or something. So if you find me reading the articles and you feel you can't wait, just scroll, just fast forward a little bit to where I'm answering the actual questions, then see the answer, of course, move on. If I'm going ahead to read articles, just fast forward to where I'm answering the particular question, of course, do that and also move on. So let's go let's go right into this. Okay, guys, now that will be all. Of course, as you can see, we got 7 out of 7 questions, and that's how it's been done, guys. And don't forget, like I told you guys earlier, still go ahead and read the article. Of course, watch all the YouTube videos that are included, so you can be able to actually take the actual test, guys. Don't forget. And of course, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying all my videos so far. I'm going to be dropping the last one, I guess. I think it's the last one after this, just a couple of days or probably just a couple of hours from now. Now stay tuned to my channel so you can watch the last one and start making money online just reviewing websites and apps. It's not a goodbye, but it's a good day for now. And of course, I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf, and you are still right here on Nextlands. See ya.